So I'd like to answer this question. If I am single and have no children, do I still need life insurance? I think that's a very good question, especially given the history of why we get life insurance, right? But if I am single and I do not have children, yes, I do still need life insurance. And there are two reasons why. One is debt. If you have any debt, you definitely want to make sure you have life insurance to resolve that debt, because some types of debt can be passed on to other family members. But the biggest reason why you should still have life insurance is there are newer life insurance policies that come with something called living benefits. And what that means is if I get a critical or chronic illness, that life insurance money will kick in to support me while I'm living. So for example, let's say I'm 35 years old, I'm healthy, I'm working, I've got my home, and suddenly I find out that I've been diagnosed with cancer. I may not be able to work. I may have some time that I need to be off of work. I may require some treatments that involve more income. What do I do in that instance? Living benefits is a feature that can exist in term policies and permanent policies, not all, but some. And what it says is with that critical or chronic illness diagnosis, money will be accelerated to you from that death benefit to use. You can use that to pay your bills. You can use that to take care of out-of-pocket medical expenses. You can use it to go to another country for alternative treatment. But more importantly, if something happens to me as a single person, who is going to be responsible for me financially when I cannot work? So it is a way to protect yourself. Another example, there was a young woman who suffered a stroke in her 40s unexpectedly, and she was working, and that stroke impacted her ability to work. Her life insurance accelerated over $200,000 to her. What could you do with $200,000 at a time when you're trying to focus on recovering and getting better so you can continue to live a great life? She was able to utilize that money to not have to rush back to work, to make sure her means were taken care of, and to even hire additional support in her home. These are some examples of how living benefits can help. So if you are single and you do not have children, yes, life insurance is still important for you, but you definitely want to sit down and understand how to structure it just for you.